Now look at the question number 2, exercise 4.2. Question number 2, you have to write 4 solutions for the given equations. First part is what? 2x plus y equal to 7. 2x plus y equal to 7. Okay. Now first you write y in terms of x. Y in terms of x. So shall we write now y equal to 7 minus 2x. When we are transposing one term from one side to another side, then sign will change. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiply becomes divide, and divide becomes multiply. So all this concept you learned in class 8. Okay. Now let it be equation number 1. Now we are going to find how many solution for that? 4 solution for that. Now put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 0 in equation number 1. So what will you get? Y equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is what? 0. So 7 minus 0 is nothing but 7. So y equal to what? 7. Therefore 0 comma 7 is the solution. 0 comma 7 is the solution. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 0 and y equal to 7 here. 2 into 0 is what? 0. 0 plus 7 is what? 7 here. So 7 equal to 7. It satisfies. Therefore 0 comma 7 is the solution. 0 comma 7 is the solution. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So what will you get? Y equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. That is y equal to 7 minus 2. Am I right? Y equal to 7 minus 2. Then y equal to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is what? 5 here. Therefore, when x is equal to 1, y value will be 5. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 1 here. 1 into 2 is what? 2. Y value is what? 5. So 2 plus 5 is what? 7. 7 equal to 7. It satisfies. Are you getting here? Then put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So what are you getting now? What is the left hand side here? Y equal to 7 minus 2 into 2. 2 to the 4. Y equal to 7 minus 4. Then y equal to how much? 3. Y equal to how much? 3. Therefore 2 comma 3 is a solution. 2 comma 3 is a solution. Now you can check. Put x is equal to 2 here. 2 to the 4. Y value is 3. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. It satisfies. Are you getting here? So now we found 3 solutions. What are they? 0 comma 7, 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 3. So you have to find one more solution because they asked us to find, right, 4 solutions for that. Now put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Then what is the y value here? Y equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. So 7 minus 2, 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is what? 1. Therefore 3 comma 1 is a solution. 3 comma 1 is a solution. Now we found 4 solutions. What are they? 0 comma 7, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. It's very simple. Right? Already we know that linear equation 2 variables infinitely many solution. Okay. So if you are substituting different values of x, we will get different values for y. Okay. Shall we move to the next question now? In the second question, I think second part, what is the question for you? Next one is pi x plus y equal to 9. Pi x plus y equal to 9. Second question, second part. Pi x plus y equal to 9. Okay, write the value of y in terms of x. Write the value of y in terms of x. So you can write like y equal to 9 plus pi x becomes 9 minus pi x. Let it be equation number 1. Let it be equation number 1. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 0. You can substitute any real value. You can substitute any real value. It is not necessary to substitute the whole number or natural number. You can substitute any real value for x. You will get different values for y. Okay. So what we can do, put x is equal to 0. Okay. put x is equal to 0 in equation 1, then what will become? Y equal to 9 minus pi into 0. So 0 into anything is what? 0. So 9 minus 0, which is equal to 9. So y equal to what? 9 here. Therefore 0 comma 9 is a solution. 0 comma 9 is a solution. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Put x is equal to, don't substitute for pi value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Just you keep in terms of pi. There is no issue. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So what will you get here? Y equal to 9 minus pi into 1. 1 into pi is what? Pi. So 9 minus pi. This is the value of y when x is equal to 1. Therefore 1 comma 9 minus pi is a solution for the given equation. Are you getting here? Yes. Now we will put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So what will you get now? Y equal to 9 minus pi into 2, that is 9 minus 2 pi. 9 minus 2 pi. Right? 9 minus 2 pi. After that 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi is a solution for the given equation. Now put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. What will you get? Y equal to 9 minus pi into 3, that is 9 minus 3 into pi, 3 pi. This is the value of y. Therefore 3 comma 9 minus 3 pi is a solution for the given equation. So what are they? 0 comma 9, 1 comma 9 minus pi, 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi, 3 comma 9 minus 3 pi. These are the 4 solutions. Similarly you can find infinite number of solutions. Are you getting here? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? X is equal to 4y. What is that? X is equal to 4y. It's very easy. X is equal to 4y. So it is a linear equation in 2 variables. What are the 2 variables? X and y. Okay. So here x in terms of y. So let it be equation number 1. What you can do now? Put y equal to 0. We will substitute. Put y equal to 0 in equation 1. Then it will be x is equal to 4 into 0. 4 into 0 is what? 0. So x is equal to what? 0. Therefore 0 comma 0 is the solution. 0 comma 0 is the solution for the given equation. Then after that we will substitute. Put y equal to 1. It is not necessary to put 0, 1, 2, 3. You can substitute any real values. Okay. So put y equal to 1 in equation 1. So x is equal to 4 into 1. X is equal to what? 4. X is equal to what? 4. Therefore 4 comma 1 is a solution. Don't write 1 comma 4. If you are writing 1 comma 4, then it will not satisfy. See, if you are putting 1 comma 4 means what? X value is 1. 4 4s are what? 16. 1 is not equal to 16. So when are you writing the solution, that ordered pair should be x comma y. It is x coordinate. It is what? Y coordinate. Okay. X comma y is not equal to y comma x. Please remember. So already you learned in coordinate geometry. What is that? X comma y is not equal to y comma x. When x comma y equal to y comma x, if both the values of x and y are equal, then only you can write x comma y equal to y comma x. Okay. Then put y equal to 2 now. Put y equal to 2 in equation 1. So what are you getting here? X is equal to 4 into 2. Then x is equal to how much? 8. Therefore 8 comma 2 is a solution. 8 comma 2 is a solution. Right? So you have to find one more solution. We will substitute. Put y equal to 3 now in equation 1. So x is equal to 4 into 3. 4 3s are how much? 12. X is equal to 12 now. X is equal to what? 12. Therefore 12 comma 3 is a solution. So now what is the value of y here? 3. Substitute here, 4 3s are what? 12. X value is 12. Therefore 12 equal to 12. It satisfies. Now we found 4 solutions for the given equation x equal to 4y. What are the solution? 0, 0, 4, 1, 8, 2 and then 12, 3. These are the 4 solutions for the given equation. Are you getting it here? So we completed 2 questions today and then tomorrow we will start the question number 3. Okay, so we will try to complete this chapter in this week. Okay, so that we can able to start the new chapter in the next week. Are you getting it here? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.